Yoshi, and welcome to SplashLearn. What fun adventure will we explore today? Let's find out. Wow, so many here! These look fun! Let's go!
Coloring adventure.
Do you like coloring? Which drawing would you like to color today? Animals. Select a drawing and have fun coloring it. Cow. Cows can sleep while they are standing. Now that's a skill everyone wants. Today, we're going to color cow. Eraser. Rainbow crayon. Crayon. Paintbrush. Paint bucket. Spray. Stamp. Paint bucket. Yellow. Dark gray. Light pink. Dark gray. Dark gray. Light gray. Brown. Light orange. Orange. White. That was amazing! Select a drawing and have fun coloring it. Elephant. These massive animals can't jump, nor can they run for very long. Today, we're going to color elephant. Paint bucket. Light blue. Light pink. Blue. Light blue. Stamp. Eraser. Wow! What an amazing painting! Select a drawing and have fun coloring it. It's the female lion that hunts for food. Male lions protect their home and cubs.
Today, we're going to color
Lion,
paint bucket, brown, orange, green, orange, dark gray, red, brown, stamp,
that was awesome!
select a drawing and have fun coloring it.
Rhinoceros. Did you know that a group of rhinos is called a crash? Can you guess why?
Today, we're going to color.
Rhinoceros.
You have many tools to work with. Try one. Paint bucket, dark gray. Light gray. Brown. Dark gray. Light gray. Light green. Spray, dark gray. Stamp.
Today was so much fun. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures. Until then, keep exploring.
SplashLearn, creating fearless learners around the world.